Want to end your tiring search for striped dye fabrics for your spring-summer 21 mood boards? If yes is the answer to this question, then this video is for you. Hello, this is Tushar from Charu Creation Pvt Ltd, a fashion fabric company at Nehru Place, New Delhi, which has been serving more than 11,000 customers spread across 50 plus countries around the globe for the last 35 plus years. We are here to serve you with our collection of striped dye fabrics for your spring-summer 21 mood boards on fabrics such as cotton, polyester, silk and viscose. Striped dye is tie dye in vertical, perennial stripes and overhaul with soft and inky strokes. Colors such as quiet wave, kapok green, spirulina and silvered green are sea inspired. Friends, I want to acknowledge you for watching this video. I hope that samples made out of our fabric collection would help you to win orders from your respective buyers and strengthen your business in these troubled times. To have a look at the collection of striped dye fabrics, you may click on the link below. For any further inquiry, you may also call us at +91 99711 06200 or simply email us at charu@charu.org.in. If you find this information useful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more useful information. Thanks a lot.